A good bearish week for we are silver crashing towards 30, 80, $31 zone and erasing all the gains from this candle. Now, does this mean a greater crash is cooking here in silver? Can we expect a further drop which is going to take it below 30, or the lows for the week, for the month are done and a possible reversal is on cards? What are the signs that supports the crash, and if not, where you could confirm that a reversal is happening and we can again stay bullish? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week and for the rest of the month of November? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates with detailed analysis of multiple time frames with the logical reasoning for a particular price point for you to take a trade and trade profitably. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into science. We'll follow with detailed analysis on all the time frames, and in the end, I'll give you the trading levels. So do watch this. Now, the important one here is the stochastic, which was overbought for last few weeks. We have seen it looking downwards, and now see, whenever it looks downward, it always tries to travel towards the bottom. This suggests that there could be further down move available here. Likewise with the MACD, it is on the verge of a crossover. We have to wait for it, and it is convergent here. So a possible crossover here can again lead to a greater correction in silver prices. RSI has dropped. These are just a few on the weekly charts, and when you look at the monthly charts, you can find out the formation here. See the rise, the retracement. This is the second round of rise and a greater one, and now it may call for a little retracement. Right now, also, if you see, if it starts to retrace, look at the highs and the lows of this channel. Where are the lows aiming at? The lows are aiming at around 2600, 2700 zone, or in fact, let me include 2500 as well. So 25 to $27 is the zone which it may try to aim towards if it continues to crash here on the downside. And always, whenever it diverges from the 20 period, it always tries to converge. But there is other way to look at the picture as well. I will come back to that when we see a detailed review here now itself, a few moments back later. And now if you see the stochastic, this is almost flat, while the MACD has traded with too much of divergence and it is trying to convert. So a little sign here available that a potential for further drop exists here in silver. And likewise on the daily charts, important thing to note here is, after staying bullish for weeks, it is now trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a greater bearish sign. Look at the formation, first, second, third, and after third attempt it has breached this bullish channel, and this is happening after a long time. So this calls for this retracement to continue. But I will still say, I'll show you something now when we start the detailed review, which still says that the potential for a pullback is there, and we should not be completely treating silver as bearish for now. Now let's start. See, look at the 4-hour charts first. If you see on the 4-hour charts, what is happening? We have seen a rise from these levels. We have seen a stronger rise. We have already seen silver going close towards 34.80, $35 levels, and since then we have seen a very good correction, very healthy correction here. Now, right now, if you observe on the 4-hour charts, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, and again looking downwards. However, it is not to be treated bearish as long as it respects 30, 80, $31 levels, because what is happening, it has formed a very strong base here, retracement, now a series of bearish candle, and from here it can again move upwards, delivering higher highs, taking the price towards 32, 40, 50. And any point of time, if silver trades above 33, that is the sign you can say now silver is reversing and we can stay bullish. Right now the signs are very much bearish here. Look at the crossover in the moving averages. Definitely this is a bearish sign. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom. The MACD on the 4-hour charts has hit the lows, and see the movement here. The bearishness getting diminished here with every crossover, and now it appears that it may try to recover the lost ground or some of the lost ground from $35 levels. RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily chart. Now, when you see the daily charts, important thing to note that the support it is getting from the 100 period is very, very strong. With that as support, we have seen little swings here, a recovery, and the last candle, despite it closing in the red, I can say that it has not yet breached the preceding lows. Thus, we have to wait for silver to trade below 31 and 3080 in the coming week, and below which we can expect that we are looking forward to a good correction 31 40 50, and in fact 3080 $31 levels. Sorry, 30 40 30 50, and then $30 levels are going to be the next milestone which it would like to break before it shows any signs of reversal. Right now, I'll say we have to watch out with a little caution. Look at the formation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, and it could continue here in the retracement path. Now, notice one more point. If at any point of time in the coming week or in the month of November you see silver trading above 33, we have to turn bullish. We have to expect a good rise from 30 beyond 33. So once it breaks out beyond $33 levels, we can expect a good right now. It has come down to the support zone, and this zone is very significant, very important for silver. Stochastic has recovered from the oversold zone, while the MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. And yes, it is trading with too much of divergence. We have to wait for it to start converging. RSI has dropped sharp here as well. Coming to the week. Now this is important on the weekly charts. Look at this candle, a strong Mariboju candle with the flat bottom and a flat top. Now what these three candles have done? These three candles have just erased the gains from this candle. It is closed at around this zone, and this is also brought the prices to the 20 period moving average, which is definitely a greater support here for silver. Now if you track the movement here, see rise, then the retracement, then the rise and retracement. However, notice the point that look at the formation here: higher lows, higher highs. It is very much intact within this channel. Now for silver to turn bearish, we have to wait for it to break below $30 levels. And if it stays below 30 any point of time in next few weeks, you can say now the bears are back, and we can look forward to a correction here towards 28 or in fact $26 levels in the near future. But right now, I will say the position here is very much intact, and I will still say do not treat it as bearish as long as now $30 levels are not taken here on the downside. Moving averages here are bullish. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is converging here, trying to cross over for sell. The RSI has dropped, another bearish sign here. Coming to the monthly charts, look at the monthly charts. See, notice the point. Rise, retracement, three bearish candles, then three bullish candles, then three bearish candles. Now what has happened this time? It has just delivered two as of now. The month has just started. Also notice higher lows are seen here. It is possible that we may see a third bullish candle here, which can in fact take the price towards 36. It is very much respecting these levels here, and if it recovers trades above 33, we can expect more bullishness, which can take it towards 34, 35, and in fact 36 levels. In the month of November itself, we can expect a third bullish candle. But right now, I will say the stance is very much bearish, and further bearishness will prevail once the price trades below $30 level. And thus, as long as it respects the $30 level, we have to be careful here. We should not conclude early that there is a potential crash coming, though the bearishness is still prevailing here. If you look at the monthly stochastic, this is almost flat, while the MACD, if you look at on the monthly charts, it is trading with divergence, and right now it is not showing any signs of convergence. We have to wait, we have to see whether it delivers 2 to 3 red candles from here on the monthly charts. When I say 2 to 3 red candles, means by imagine if it delivers a 5% correction in a single candle, what could happen in the next 2 to 3 months? We can see it correcting by 10 to 15%, and then you can expect that 25 28 can be expected. But right now, I will say the signs are not very much encouraging for such a stronger drop in the month of November. RSI has dropped. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the levels and the strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your question. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will ideally recommend you to buy here at 3150 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 3175, 32, then 3225. And if it breaks this, you can expect a good bullish move towards 3250, 32.80, and then 33. Any move beyond 33, this is the most critical. Any move beyond 33 is a sign of a breakout and is a sign that we are looking forward to a move towards 33.40, 34.10, 34.50, and this time $35 levels. Beyond 35, the next target is 36 directly. Do remember the point. Still, it is early to conclude that silver has turned bearish, and I will say do not conclude it as well that it is turned bearish and it is going to crash. Yes, we have seen a good pullback, and I think at this point you have to be cautious. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 31, where you can expect 30.80, 30.45, then 30. Till 30, it has got extremely good support. Below 30 is where you can confirm that it is about to deliver a crash here. Below 30 is where we can expect a move towards 29.18, and then below this $28 levels will be seen. And remember, as we have seen in the near future, we may see it moving towards 26 and 25 as well. What now we could expect a potential retracement cannot be denied. The signs are still not very much encouraging for a greater correction, greater crash. But yes, if it drops below 30 is where you can expect more bearishness, while I can say that the bulls are completely absent. And if it breaks beyond 33, that is the point you can say now the bulls are back in action and we can look forward to a greater rise. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do reach out to me if you have queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. But thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates every day for silver. Thank you.